Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize the way we monitor mining operations from afar? Well, let's explore this together. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a powerful technology that can learn, reason, and self-correct. It's like having a super smart assistant that never sleeps. Now, imagine applying this technology to remotely monitor mining sites. Traditional mining methods face numerous challenges. Safety is a major concern, with workers exposed to hazardous conditions. Inefficiency is another issue, as traditional methods can be slow and labor-intensive. Not to mention the environmental concerns that come with mining, such as land degradation and water pollution. Now, imagine a world where AI transforms these operations. It provides remote monitoring capabilities that can detect anomalies, monitor equipment, and even predict potential hazards. This could lead to safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly mining practices. The power of AI could be a game changer in the mining industry. Let's delve into a case study to better understand the practical application and benefits of AI in remote mining operations. Consider the example of a mining company that has leveraged AI for remote monitoring of their operations. This company, operating in the mineral-rich heartlands, was grappling with challenges that are all too common in the industry: inefficiency, safety risks, and environmental damage. The mining process was plagued by inefficiencies, with machinery breakdowns, unoptimized routes, and unpredictable weather conditions. The safety of workers was a constant concern, with hazardous environments and the potential for accidents. Plus, the operations were causing significant environmental damage, with excessive water and energy consumption and pollution. Seeking a solution, the company turned to AI and remote monitoring systems. By harnessing the power of predictive analytics, they were able to foresee machinery breakdowns before they happened, scheduling maintenance in advance to prevent downtime. Machine learning algorithms analyzed vast amounts of data to optimize routes in real time, leading to more efficient operations. Automated systems were put in place to control machinery, reducing the risk of human error and enhancing worker safety.